Hi, welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to make Discord account, step by step. You can start using Discord easily without any confusion. Step 1. Open your browser and go to discord.com. This is the official Discord website where you can create and manage your account safely. Step 2. Click Login in the top right corner of the website. On the login page, you will see a register option under the sign-in form, so click on Register to start creating your new account. Step 3. Enter your account details carefully. Type your email address, your display name, which is how people will see you, a unique username, your password, and your correct date of birth so Discord can verify your age. Step 4. Agree to Discord's terms. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions, then click Continue to move forward with the account creation process. Step 5. Complete the security check. Finish the CAPTCHA if it appears, then open your email inbox and click the verification link Discord sends you to activate your new account. And that is it. Your Discord account is now created and ready to use. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.